This is trippy. There is a bird in my house. I can't. There he is. Which is the first time it's happened in years. Stop it. And he's trapped, and he doesn't know how to get out, and he's going to crash. And I want to help him. Wow, that is so trippy. Now that is kind of a good fortune thing. But I need to catch him. I need to get him out of my house. But he's freaking out. He doesn't know what to do. He doesn't know where to go. Ah. Oh. Oh, what can you do? What'll happen is eventually he'll get so tired, he'll either crash or he'll find his way out the door. Look at him, he's wearing himself out. He's going to crash and then I'll be able to put him outside. Oh, and I fell on the floor. Poor thing. It's okay. It's okay, little bird. Where'd you go? Oh, there he is. I'll get him. Oh, look, now there's another one. It's like the dad going, hey, you gotta get out. How brave they are. It's okay. Wow. I'm going to wait till he gets tired enough and then I'll put him outside. No, Bandit. No, Rudy. No, Rudy. Back up. It's okay. He's getting so tired. He'll eventually get tired enough to where he's not scared of me anymore. Which one? We're just going to pick him up and throw him outside. Let's see if I can find him. There he goes. He's getting exhausted. There's no place to go, though, Karen. You got no place to go. You fell enough. Look. Where'd he go? Okay, come on. You got no place to run. There he is. Yep. Where'd you go? Did you find your way out? There it is. There it goes.